The All India Children's Educational E-Content Competition organized by the Central Institute of Educational Technology concluded on Saturday at Neri campus, Nongsdare, Umiam. The ongoing e-competition is a national-level e-content competition which had nearly 750 plus entries, 200 entries for audio, more than 100 entries for immersive e-content and 450 entries for videos and animation. The participation was received from 27 states out of 36 states and union territories, including entries from Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Meghalaya. 81 prizes were distributed along the cash prizes worth around 15 lakhs. Minister of Education Sri Rakam A. Sangma was the chief guest. He said that the e-content will definitely enhance the learning skills of the children and also the teaching skills of the teachers.
Our skills, our ideas. Intervention technologically, the e-contents will definitely enhance the learning skill of our children and also the teaching skills of our teachers.